Hello everyone! Today I'm opening with you and trying for the very first time a cool slider by a company called NEOJOY. The slider itself is called the Spicy Gluten. It comes in two material variations, both pay and stainless steel. I got the stainless steel one because I like stainless steel better and I like heavier fidgets. It's pretty new, only see it around officially for about a week. I got it a little before, so let's open it and see how it is. As always, I try to be very careful. Let's take it out of its sleeve. Pretty tight, sorry, even though it's not my fault. I am not the one who made it. And some part of it here, I don't like it, to be honest. I know how to open stuff, so this seems it was annoying as heck, to be honest. Anyway, after that we got this little box that we released from the grip of death, but anyway, this is okay, this is reasonable. So, nothing here. We get very cool spicy gluten. I don't know what to say, instructions, or like, it's not like an exploded view, but instructions. Can't read Chinese, but if someone wants, just for a second, I will zoom in as much as I can. Okay, and 666, really? Number 666. What are the odds? That's awesome. And terrifying. I don't know. 666. 666. Awesome. So let's see, there is some things inside. So before I open the fidget itself, let's see what it is. Spring and a magnet and a screw, a little screwdriver also. I will zoom out, sorry, I didn't mean to. Very cool. Nothing more inside, and that I can see. So, put it to the side for a second next to this. So, Spicy Gluten by NEOJOY, stainless steel, very good weight, 666. So, because it has a very cool number, I would like to open it in the more controlled way. Just a second. I just did it with a single cut that will not hurt anything. And yes, that's who I am. That's why these videos help me, because by forcing myself to do it for you, I help myself. Yeah, that's the truth. So 666. Just because it's cool, I'm gonna leave it here. What are the odds? Anyway, now zoom in time. NEOJOY Feels excellent actually, very good in the hand. NEOJOY. All the sides. Feels. I will take it outside, and not a bad way, by a bad size at all, and a bad weight as well. So let's try it together for the first time. That's nice. That's great. Now let's see. Let's do some zoom in and show you. The machining on the paragraph here seems great. Very, very neat. I can't believe it. It's here. 666. What are the freaking odds? I love that. I used to be a, punk rock, heavy metal guy. Everything, when I was a young man. Used to skateboard and stuff like that. So it's cool. Anyway. It has two, I guess, buckyballs. I will put it against the microphone so you can hear it better. Very, very cool. Don't need much force to use it at all. I'm pretty sure you can customize it to have like stronger feedback if you want. There is also another configuration, but it's not right out of the box, and I haven't read about it, and I usually don't fiddle with my fidgets a lot, but there is another customization option. Function option is a better feels great. Now just as I did in my recent video, because so many people has it, I will use the Aura Sand as a measurement tool. So as you can see, it have a very good size. It's also quite thick in the hand, so it's not small, and again, I like it. A lot of time I get a slider and it's way smaller than it looks in the video. So this is like my whole finger almost. It's great size. Make it very easy to hold and use with extremely little effort. Great. So, as always, for me, this is not your place. So, as always, for me, a part of every decision is the financial price or financial point. And I got it for like $36, I think. And for a slider like this, for less than $40, extremely good value for money. Extremely. I can tell you that from the top of my head, I think the function more resembles like the exoskeleton with the double clicks. Of course, there are years apart, but it's that kind of 666. I can't believe it. And when I tilt it, it looks red. So, but that's because of my shirt, which is fine, which is funny actually. I have a red shirt, so it's red. Anyway, very, very cool. So, the NEOJOY Spicy Gluten in stainless steel. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. Excellent slider, fidget slider all around. Like, even if you have others, very good. And if you're new and you want to get your first cool stainless steel slider, yeah, under $40. And for a brand name, it's great. The detailing looks good. Simple but good. Here also, NEOJOY. I really like that they decided that this is the design and they kept it. So it's cool. On both sides, I mean. Very, very cool. NEOJOY. So, sorry, just fun to do. So this was, zoom out as always. I will put it here. This was the NEOJOY Spicy Gluten. NEOJOY. Really, really cool addition to any collection. And yes, I recommend it if you like that kind of feedback from a fidget, from a slider, which I do, so it works great. So that's it for me for now. Thank you for watching, and I see you on the next one, I hope. Thank you very much. Goodbye.